Welcome to the second lesson on this new piano E-473, the series, the latest version of this series. Just as I promise you, I'll be bringing videos on this series, okay? It's our church piano, so if you look on the table there, you see my own piano there. So today I'll be showing you, how to load beat on this from the flash, from your USB flash key. This is my USB flash key, all right, to the piano, all right. So what I'll do is I'll insert my USB flash key, okay. So I'll just insert it. Okay, when I insert it, now I come to the screen here. On my screen, I will see the USB. All right. Now, how will I access this piano? We ask my flash rather. I'll access my USB flash by using the Shift key and the function key. Remember, I told you that the Shift key is a power key in this. It's very powerful. So like I said, when you see this rectangular that is in highlighting this shift, you see the rectangle also highlight file. It means that when you press shift and hold it and you press function, it will access this file. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, let's see how we do it. Okay, but before we do that, let me show you that let me show you my style. So if I open style, when you open style, okay, this is style. When you increase style, all right, up to a certain level, you see, voila, no data. All right, so I have just one style bit that have been stored in this piano. It's a zouk. All right, so if you continue, that's 997, 297. Okay, so we have 298, no data, 299, no data, 300, no data, 301, we have this other bit. Okay, so we can store those bits here. 300, 295, no data, 296, no data, just like that. So we just remember that we have a bit on 297. Okay, so we can store it in other this thing. We have 297, so we can store our bits in 298, 299, no problem. All right, so let's see how we accessed it. So we're going to access our flash. All right, guys, so how we are going to access, so I will long press shift. So if I long press shift, I take 5. All right, so let's come and see what is there. Okay, so when we do that, we see on our screen we have save sample. All right, save sample. You can come to the die button there. Okay, so this our die button. You can change. This our die button. You change. When you change, you see load sample, delete audio, and many others. So what I'm looking for is load style. Okay, so when you take load style, in order to access it, you take enter, all right, on the piano. So if I press enter, all right, I'll have USB. There I have my beats, all right. So if I change the beat using my die button here, right, I have other beats, Bensi King, and many others, Zouk, Zouk Love. Okay, so what I'll do, I already have Zouk Love on this my piano. All right, so I want to store Bensi King, so I'll take enter. Okay, so if I take enter, they will tell me load to. Okay, it said 291. So if I can store this bit on 291, right? Remember 291 there was nothing there, all right? So there was only 297 where we have that Zouk Love. So if I take enter, again, okay, they will tell me load. Okay, I'll still come there, enter, I'll still take enter again. Okay, they will say, okay, it's loading. All right, complete. All right, good. So what we'll do is that we'll go to, all right, we'll go to our style on the piano. So I'll go to style. I'll go to style on the piano here. All right, I'll press style. Okay, so these are the different styles we have. So I have 2, 12, 2. So it's 291 that we have saved or load this thing to 291. Let's go there, 291. So we'll see Benziking there. Remember, there was no data there. Okay, see. Okay, now we have it. We can even play it. So you just come here. Alright, guys. Can roll it. Alright, guys. So that's all. That's how we can load beat many, in our piano, the new piano. Alright. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.